British newspaper The Independent reports that BP's attempts to quantify and quickly resolve billions of dollars in compensation claims from the Gulf of Mexico oil spill have been undermined by a ruling in a Louisiana court, which questioned the independence of the $20 billion claims fund established by the British oil giant last year. A judge has ruled that Kenneth Feinberg, the lawyer in charge of the fund, cannot claim to be neutral and is in fact acting in BP's interests. The ruling throws open the possibility that thousands of people who suffered personal injury or lost their livelihoods as a result of the country's worst ever oil spill might now bypass the claims fund and instead seek redress in courts. Analysts say that protracted court action will dramatically increase the cost of the oil spill for BP, not least because of the legal fees involved. It also promises to prolong the uncertainty over the final bill for the spill. An estimated 5 million barrels of oil spewed into the ocean from a ruptured well for almost 3 months after a fire sank the Deepwater Horizon rig last April, hitting fishing, oyster farming, tourism, and other industries along the Gulf Coast. At the height of the public anger of the spill in June, the White House pressured BP into setting up an independent claims fund under the aegis of Feinberg, the lawyer who previously oversaw claims to victims of the 9/11 terrorist attacks. However, Judge Carl Barbier said Feinberg's fees are paid directly by BP, and he has numerous obligations to consult and provide information to the oil giant throughout the process. Feinberg's firm is paid $850,000 a month for its work. The judge ruled, quote, "A full disclosure of the relationship between Mr. Feinberg, the claims fund, and BP will at least make transparent that it is BP's interests that are being promoted." Jim Roy, a lawyer for oil spill victims, said, quote, "Today is a good day for the thousands of victims of the Deepwater Horizon tragedy. With this ruling, the court is protecting the rights of the thousands of victims of this preventable tragedy and has unequivocally stated that Mr. Feinberg no longer has carte blanche to mislead the public on BP's behalf."